Today, I'm going to read some success stories. So, let's talk about that. Amanda here from createyourfuture.co. So today you guys requested it, so we are going to read off some success stories. These ones are really awesome. So if you haven't already subscribed, definitely subscribe, hit the bell icon below, because I do put out new videos every Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday. Each one of them designed to help you create something wonderful in your life. Now, the first thing is with these success stories is I'm not giving out any names due to privacy reasons, okay? So that's the first thing. A lot of these stories have been emailed to me, or actually, if you would like a lot of success stories, they're all posted on my Facebook group, Create Your Future with Amanda. It's amazing. Everyone shares some wonderful things there. So the other thing that I want to mention before I start reading some of these amazing success stories is your self-talk when you hear them and you read success stories is so incredibly important. Okay. So if you're going to read or hear a success story and have the self-talk, like, why doesn't this ever happen to me? Why is it them and not me? Why can't I get that? That's not a mental diet. We're going to stick to our mental diet on this. So when you hear and see someone else be successful, you want to say, that's going to be me. I'm going to create that too. I'm going to be just as successful, if not more. So you want to create good self-talk when you do read other people's success stories. I'll be honest, way back when I started, and I'd see good things happening to people, and I'd be like, why can't that be me? Why is that not happening to me? And guess what? Nothing good happened to me. But when I started looking at other people's success stories and going, yes, if they can do it, I can do it. And I intend for that to be me. And I intend for that to happen. And then all of a sudden, good things did start to happen. So keep in mind your self-talk when we listen to them. So let's dive in. So the first one is sent in to me, and it says, Amanda, she asked me out. Ah! Thank you for everything that you teach. Okay. Another success story. I am so grateful. I've been watching your videos and I know that my thoughts create. I actually manifested my SP after 5 weeks of no contact, after about 2 weeks on a mental diet and creating intentions. Okay. They absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. It is really that simple. Another one, I've been trying to manifest a text for my SP for 2 years, and I didn't see any results until I found your videos. And within 3 days after I watched a video from you and acted on it, the text came in. You know, the thing is, right, really it comes down to our thoughts create. We can create anything. We're always constantly creating with our thoughts. It's just a matter of watching our thoughts. I'm so happy for these. These are amazing. Another one. I've been in love with this girl for about 4 years now. When we were dating, we were on and off again constantly. She started all of a sudden to be too busy and have no time for me. Who can relate to that? She took forever to text me back when I text her. For about 2 weeks, I've been intending for her to ask me to be her date to a concert. Well, the concert was coming up on Saturday, and I was still waiting for her to contact me, but instead I contact her. She was happy to hear from me. She texted me back fast, and yeah, they went to the concert. There's a really good example of where we think that, they're rejecting us, but if we feel like we're rejected, then they're feeling like they don't want us to talk to us either, right? So, sometimes reaching out when you're in the correct headspace it's okay. We always want to approach things from, there's nothing wrong. Of course they want to be with me. Of course we're going to be together. And that's what you want your mental diet to consist of, is there's nothing wrong. If you were in a committed relationship with the person in question, would you not text them all the time? Absolutely. Would you not talk every day? Absolutely. Nothing's wrong. The whole story that, oh, they don't want to be with me, so they got to text me to prove that they want to be with me. That's just coming from something's wrong, and there's nothing wrong. I intend for them to want to be with me. I intend for us to be together, you know. Dear Amanda, I couldn't wait to get home to tell you that I won a Google Home today. This is my favorite one. So I went to this workshop today and I decided to give it a try on a draw. I intended to win the Google Home. And guess what? They drew my name. Yes! Now I manifested something. I feel really confident. You know, I do that all the time. I always intend to win things, right? So, you know, these are awesome stories of, you know, people taking control of their thoughts and their mental diet and create something wonderful. You know what? Absolutely. You know, it can be done. I mean, my personal success story is I went from thinking that I was never going to live with anybody ever again to using a mental diet to manifest my SP. I live with him now and our relationship is absolutely amazing. But, you know, I'll tell you, it was a fight every step of the way. Not a fight with him, but a fight with myself. And, you know, it works. I know it works, you know. Sure, all the techniques out there help. Visualizing, you know, scripting, the 5x5 technique, you know. But the bottom line is, at the end of the day, your thoughts create. Your thoughts seriously create. So you want to make sure that you're on a strict mental diet of only thinking positive about your situation and seeing the good in others, believing the best for yourself, and always knowing that things are going to work out exactly the way that you think they're going to. And that's the key. You think they're going to. Your dominant thoughts always end up creating. Anyways, awesome. Again, you want more success stories? Go check out the Facebook page, Create Your Future with Amanda, Law of Attraction Hacks. That page is only success stories, because on that page, we believe in sharing our successes rather than recreating our problems. Anyways, thank you for liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. You guys are all amazing, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.